Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to add the yellow basket on TikTok Shop. Let's get started. First, open TikTok app, then go to your profile, then tap the shop basket icon to access your TikTok Shop. Make sure your TikTok Shop is already set up. If not, register at seller.tiktok.com. Then tap plus to create a video, then record or upload your content. Then tap next after editing. Then, on the posting page, tap add link, then select product, then choose the item you want to promote from your TikTok shop listing. Then tap add. You can add multiple products if needed. After posting, visit your video and you'll see a yellow basket icon showing your product. Viewers can tap it to buy directly from the video. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.